Alright, so we fixed this pot. It was cracked. Okay, so we have this pot that fell during the wind, and of course I'm gonna fix it with some super glue and do the Kintsugi style method. Put some glue on the surface and put some gold accents just to make it look nice. It's not structural, it's just to cover up the crack and give it character. So I'm gonna start off with gluing these two pieces together and then gluing that to the main body of the pot. Alright, so we fixed this pot. It was cracked. You can see by the lines on there, I did the Kintsugi method. So after that, I like to spray some clear coat on it just so it seals a little bit better. It's not going to be waterproof anymore, but it'll help the outside. So I'm going to brush it, get some of the loose debris off, and then go to town. I'll time lapse. I got to move a little bit so the overspray of the clear coat doesn't get on the neighbor's car, and it's warming up. The clear coat spray can is warming up right now on the hood of the other car. Time lapse. And we'll call that good. So I used the crystal clear Rust-Oleum enamel. I think this one's gloss. Kind of like flat sometimes. Didn't have it. So did what I did. I see a little bit of runs, but you know what? That adds character. Character runs. That's what I'm calling it. All right, thanks for watching.